front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on accessibility and convenience. Now select one-handed mode and tap on gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Finally, follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!